Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify blocked account. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify blocked account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info, you will click on forward stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. You will find clear data, don't click on it because that can make errors or problems on your app. And after that, of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.